All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we got something a little special. A company reached out and asked if I'd be willing to test and review one of their products. And you know me, I told them, hell yeah, I'll do it. So this is a air compressor, a portable air compressor by a company called SyncWire. You can find SyncWire products on the SyncWire website, which will be in the description box below, or you can find them on Amazon. Just look up SyncWire, and all of their products will show up. I'm pretty sure that SyncWire sells their own products on Amazon, but I can't be totally for sure. I do know that they do the product when you order them from Amazon. The products actually come directly from SyncWire. So anyway, let's go check it out. All right, so here's what comes in the box. Of course, you got your unit and you have your little attachments here. Comes in a little Ziploc type of bag. You got your USB for charging, and you have your extra valve caps, which is actually kind of cool. There's a few things I wish that this unit actually had, and I'll explain what I'm talking about here in just a second. But as you see, here's the box. That's what it looks like. And you got your literature. And basically, here's the unit. It is pretty nice little air compressor, portable air compressor from SyncWire. It works pretty good, and we'll get to that here in just a few minutes. But I just wanted to show you. Let's turn it on here, and you have your modes. You have mode for the car, motorcycle or moped, that type of thing, bicycle, sports equipment like basketballs, soccer balls, footballs, things like that, and then miscellaneous. So basically what that is right there, this miscellaneous one, is if you have, like, most car tires, they only inflate to like 50 pounds. Well, my truck tires take 80 pounds. So you could go to the miscellaneous setting and set it for 80 pounds, and it'll fill it to 80 pounds. Anyway, that's what that looks like. Like I said, each one of these, here's your up and down for pressure, and then like I said, there's your mode. All right, so that's what it sounds like whenever it's turned on. It is actually kind of loud for a little bit of unit, but yeah, let's go gather up some basketballs or whatever, and maybe a tire, and let's see this thing in action. Let's take a look real quick at what's in that little Ziploc bag for attachments. This is the one that you would use for basketballs and sports equipment. This one right here is one that you would put for like the odd size of valve stem for bicycles. You just screw that onto your valve stem and it gives you the different size. And then this one and this is for air mattresses and like blow up stuff for kids, like water toys and things like that. But yeah, let's get this thing set up and let's use it. All right, so Got a basketball hooked up to it first. And let's see, let's change the mode here. Let's get it set on the right thing. That's not gonna, I don't know, 8 psi. Wow, that's a lot of pressure. Let's just do, let's do 5. You can feel it filling the air. 3.5 already. 4. I mean, it's not 8 pounds that I guess that these things take. I only put 5 pounds in it, but yeah, that works. That works good. All right, let's do another ball. Well, there you have it. There's 50 pounds. It took a little while to do 50 pounds of pressure in this tire right here. I know that it took a little over 30 minutes to put 80 pounds of air pressure in my truck tire. So one thing that this unit does not have specified as other units do from the same company. I've seen videos of different style portable air compressors from SyncWire that you're supposed to shut it off and let it rest for a little while after 10 minutes of use or something like that. I didn't do that with this, and this was going probably 20 minutes. And I mean, it is what it is. But I just need to test it and make sure that it's going to be good to put in a car kit, and that's basically what this is for. This is just for an emergency. If I had something in my garage that needed, I needed an air compressor for, I would probably use my air compressor. This is just something that I would use as an emergency. So, but anyway, like I said, I kind of wish that it had one of those quick connects, like one of the old tire inflators, one of the old hand pumps. This is what I was talking about right here. You just, and then you flip it up, and then you put it on the thing, and it locks it in. This is a better system than just that right there. But I mean, it does work, and it works pretty good. That's really the only thing that I found from this that I would probably change. It works good, and it doesn't use a whole hell of a lot of battery to get the job done. Wow, neighbors are just going nuts today. In about 22 minutes of air inflation between the ball and the tire, I didn't use hardly any battery at all. I used 1 bar out of 4, so not too bad. All right, guys, so that was the SyncWire Inflate Series tire inflator by SyncWire. And yeah, I think it's a good unit. I really like it. And like I said before, I've had it for about a week, and I've played with it numerous times. I don't like to do reviews on things that I don't thoroughly test, and I think I've given this thing a thorough test to give the old thumbs up. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time. And like I said, if you need an air compressor for emergencies, this is a good one.